what's up? Today we are going to be playing some Subway Surfers, and I'm going to change my character from Lucy to not Fresh, not Utani, Tricky. Right? Yeah, Tricky. And we're gonna keep the hoverboard we have, right? Are we gonna keep the hoverboard we have? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Not mad. And let's buy a head start. Oh, I'm going. Let's start. And let's check everything. Come on. And let's go. And let's. Sorry if I don't say much. I want to concentrate. Ooh, sneaker. I'm gonna go for the mission where I gotta pick up 5 sneakers. And let's be honest. The sneakers aren't really my favorite. Like, I'll wear them, like I'll use them if I have to, but they're not my favorite. Mainly because I could be jumping and then when it runs out, all of a sudden it'll just be like, crash, and you're done. You're done. You're caught. Game over. But, ooh! Another sneaker. That's 2, right? Yeah, 2. I can't count. I'm retarded. Yay! Let's pick up these coins. Let's see. Sure. Oh. Wait. Oh, multiplier. And if you notice, I did connect my Facebook account to this game. The pictures you see on the side are friends of mine, and yeah, if you're curious, that's what that is. If you haven't played Subway Surfers or haven't connected your Facebook account to this game. Ooh, I forgot today's Mystery Monday, and I got a +10 multiplier. Nice. I basically could have just stayed at level 11 if I wanted to get multiplier times 2. Magnet. The magnet is my favorite because I could be anywhere and still pick up coins. Sorry, again, this is the worst commentary ever. Alright. Marcus score. Didn't say names. And that's literally what I did. Sorry, man! Oh, this one! This one I will say the name of and not care. Fuck you, Zach. I beat your score already. Get out my lobby! Watch these trains. Ooh, more sneakers. Yes, that's 3 sneakers, I want to say that's 3. And, yeah. Ooh, jetpack. Another awesome power-up. Gotta get them queens, Multiplier. Yes. Sorry, my reactions might be a little late or a little early. It was my voiceover and I'm not good at these. Man, there's notifications popping up everywhere. Ooh, jetpack! Jetpack! Yes! Okay, train! Batman! Doggy's after me. Oh, never mind. Again, late reaction. First voiceover. I'm sorry. Multiplier. Give me them coins. Train! Doot! Whoop whoop, bitch. Ooh, Mystery Monday. Mystery Monday. Double jump. Whoop woo. Awesome. I'm not good at using this one. I think this kills me eventually, but I don't know. Does it? No. I'm going insane here. Ooh, that train almost killed me. Oh, I missed a multiplier. Shit. Ooh, train. Fuck you, trains. Ooh, jump. Yes. More coins. Ooh, I'm about to beat you, man. I already did. Off camera. Bam! Sneakers! That's four. That has to be four. Where's the 5? No, it's 4. If it was 5, I would have gotten the mission complete thing. Unless I did. I wasn't paying attention. Ooh, yay. This is a while, man. I thought I would have died already. I thought I was gonna get at least like 2 rounds. What's weird is that whenever I'm recording, I tend to do better, and yet when I'm off camera, I die within like 2 minutes. So, oh, I almost. Ooh. What did I tell you? Oh my gosh, trains. Oh my god. Ooh, Mystery Monday. Yes, double coins. Double time on the coins. Bitch! Thank you. Ooh, oh my god. Mystery Monday. Plus time multiplier. Ooh, what was that? 555. That's 555. Yes, that's 555. Woo! No more having to pick up sneakers. Avoid sneakers. Because like I was saying, the sneakers aren't a bad power-up, but they're not my favorite. Ooh. Let's see what I got. Oh! Now I'm closer to unlocking Tricky's thing. So yeah, add. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I shall see you in the next ads. I'll see you next time. Peace out, creepers.